Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the host. Pick a VPS or local machine with enough CPU and RAM and install the required NET runtime. Once done, create a dedicated user and folder for the SCP, SL server files so permissions stay clean. Next, obtain the official server build or the latest community release and place it in that folder. Make sure to reserve a static IP or set up DNS. And open the game ports in firewall rules so clients can reach the server immediately. You now configure the core. Open config. YAML and set server name, ports, max players, and admin tokens. You'll want to tune log levels and enable remote console if you plan to use Archon tools. Once configured, test running the server binary locally to catch missing dependencies or permission issues. Then set up an auto restart mechanism. Use systemd on Linux or Task Scheduler on Windows so crashes recover automatically. Finally, script regular backups of the config and player data to avoid accidental loss. Finish by starting the server and joining with a client to confirm visibility and gameplay. You should watch logs during the first few rounds for missing assets, port conflicts, or permission denials. When adding mods or plugins, enable them one at a time in a staging instance to isolate issues and maintain backups. If something goes wrong, inspect the server log and run the server with debug flags. Often the fix is updating the NET runtime, fixing file permissions, or resolving a port clash. Address that first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.